Welcome back, YouTube. Today you tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and today I'm gonna be making my some baby back ribs the wifey style, favorite way to fall off the bone, man. So I'm gonna be hitting with some plain salt and pepper. So I'm gonna just pat it down. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. Alright, so we got that all done. So I'm keeping it real plain and simple. We used to go to this restaurant called Franklin's Barbecue. We used to stand in the line for hours. And shout out to my boy Homeboy Green, man. He sent me a bottle all the way from Texas, man. Can't be hard to find anywhere else. Hey, so we're about to go in here to put these bad boys on the grill though. So if you're in Texas, you can find this barbecue sauce at your H-E-B's or Franklin's Barbecue. I'm pretty sure it's probably some other places since I've been there now. Hey, stay tuned, you guys. Alright, so the smoker is ready. Smoker's rolling. We'll come on out here and put our baby back ribs on. Meaty side up. We'll come back in an hour and we'll check on. We're going to spritz them down with some water and apple cider vinegar, 1 and 4. Stay tuned. So yeah, I told y'all I was doing this wifey favorite way today, man. We're gonna do this till they fall off the bone. That's how she like them. I'm telling you. So what I'm gonna hit them with, man, is some of this Franklin's barbecue sauce. Hey, he got 3 different flavors. He got like, this is the Carolina one that I think. Then he got like a espresso one, and then a Texas one. I can't remember the name of it though. I'm gonna just pour it on there and pour it on the bottom side. That'll be our moisture, man. We don't need a lot. But look at it. We'll go ahead and wrap it up. We're going to place it on there for about 2 hours. Stay tuned, you guys. It's about to be real. Alright, so just so y'all know, these is not no competition ribs. These is how the wifey like her ribs. I know these how she like them. I have y'all getting first eyes on it. And this is exactly how she like them right there.
Show them what you can do.
She want that bone to come out of there just like that out the middle. That's exactly what she want. So, hey, I hit a home run with these, so I know I'm gonna hit a home run today.
It's like,
what do you think? Is these how you like them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and this how she like them. But look at the smoke on them though. The smoke is still killer on them now. You can tell that smoke hit them. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm about to turn up. I'm about to go ahead and eat some of these too, you guys. All right, thank you guys for tuning in today with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. If y'all, hey, if you don't have a smoker, a good, quick, easy way is just cook them in aluminum foil on the grill, man. Broil them for about an hour, then throw them on the foil. You can put like some onions, bacon in there, whatever you prefer, but it's how the wifey like them. You see how that bone pull on back? Man, hey, I can eat them too, but I prefer the competition style now. I don't know why with the little tub, but these got no tub, they just like cotton candy. Hey, well, we'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to this video today, checking us out. Happy holidays. Drop some comments below of what y'all think and whether y'all think that y'all like the competition style or wifey style. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.